All right, guys. So today's just been a hectic day. A lot going on. I know I came on earlier and I talked about tonic, and then the bundle sold out. I guarantee it's just people got the email just like I did, and I wish I would have made it very earlier, but I was making videos and I wasn't paying attention to my emails. So the thing sold out. I know with links, a couple of you guys picked them up from my links, but they sold out before any any links really hit. I'll tell you that much, because there was literally a handful of I think links from here to there. So thank you guys who did use those, and I'm so sorry the people who did use them and they were like, it's sold out. I'm like, I'm so sorry, or try to use it at least. So I really appreciate it. But yeah, I'm sure just, obviously Tonic has their own following, and they're like, hey, come buy this thing, it's great. And people were like, yeah, I'm buying that thing, it's great. So if I have any links for any of the items I'll be showing you right now, they will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase from those links. I really appreciate the support, and it helps me, keep running the channel and showing some fun things, and I really appreciate it, so thank you guys. So today I have some items from Spellbinders, and already even just in my little affiliate links I can see that people are buying things from Spellbinders today, and I'm like, what is Spellbinders doing today? Because all of a sudden I haven't really talked about them today, in a video, but I do have older videos. Obviously people watch them and click and do whatever they're gonna do, but so what it is right now, they have 15% off extra off their clearance and sale items that are in a certain category, but in Spellbinders, once you click it, you go there, and on that front page, it'll tell you everything, so you just click where you need to. A lot of the items are the same items that I might be showing you right now, but the ones I showed you, I picked up during the, if you're a club member, you got quite a good discount off of the past club kits, which are like the small, the large, the APG, die kits, whatever, cards, kits, and stuff like that. So that's what I have to show you guys. I have 2 big boxes here, so a lot of fun stuff in here ready to go. And so now everybody can basically buy the stuff. You can always buy the stuff, it's just you didn't get the extra discount. So right now they're offering an extra 15% in the cart. So that means when you see the price, when you go on there and click over there, if you use one of my links here, and you can sign in after that, or however you want to navigate the site, but you'll get 15% off in the cart. So the price you see is going to be a little bit higher than when it actually gets into the cart, okay? So just know that. I know some companies do things like that. Some companies will just reflect it in the price. I prefer to see it reflected in the price, but it's always nice to see, I guess. It's nice to see a discount anywhere. With that said, I do know Art Impressions is doing several expos this weekend. And I mentioned in another video, but I don't know which video it was, so I'll just quickly mention it here. So tomorrow, starting Friday, they'll have a coupon code for 25% off the whole site. So right now they have the holiday section 20% off if you just put anything from the holiday category, and I'll have a link in the description box. But if you haven't purchased yet from the holiday category, which my stuff is already on the way from when I ordered earlier in the week, so I did a couple orders. It might be here tomorrow, and I'll remind you guys. They're gonna have 20% off the whole site, so the things that aren't on sale. So sometimes they do, like right now, the 20% off the holiday sale does work on the stuff that's on sale in the holiday section, but the 25% off the whole site is not going to work on the sale items. So that's why you kind of have to weigh your discounts, right? Especially them, you can only use one at a time, but I'll have the info still for the holiday sale. And then, obviously do whatever you like, but expect tomorrow, hopefully I'll have a video just talking about their other discount. Because I do a lot of their stuff. And before we get to the thing, I just want to say a lot of times I do pick up quite a few things like Spellbinders. I was always kind of stuck to what was in the store, and I kind of knew about Spellbinders. I know they came out with their machines, and this is back in the day. I'm talking about 15 plus years ago, right? And at Expo sometimes you'd see some fun ones, but they were always kind of expensive, and I was like, and I got them through like Heartfelt Creations. So I love their website, and I'm sorry that I didn't come across it before, I guess, because I just go to the big box stores, or chain stores, and so right now just staying home and just checking things out, I really love their site and I love their sales. So to me, unless it's on sale, don't pick it up. Like, to be honest, like, you gotta get it on sale, because they do sales like here and there and every other month, or just try to get your bargain basement price is what I would do with Spellbinders, and you'll be super happy. Either way, it's a great deal. They have great products. So that's just my bit of advice there. Always wait for a sale. So let's open these boxes. I have no idea. I just have been buying so many things recently. I know some people leave comments like, how can you afford all this stuff, or things like that, and Not that normally people always say like, oh, that's none of your business, but I don't mind those kind of questions because I'm showing you guys in the hauls, like, look at all this, you know, so I don't mind if someone wants to know, you know, but at the same time, that's what I always say, get a sale. I don't buy anything full price unless very rarely, right? So, you gotta get your sales, and then from there, well, then, yeah, that's my business, I guess. But that's how I justify all that stuff. So let's see what's going on in here. Some of these sets were even less than 10 bucks, you guys, and I'm talking about the card kits, the big card kits. So it was just a really great sale that they had going. Let's see what's going on in here. And the other thing too, whenever I run into a company like this that I'm like, okay, you know, art impressions, I want to pick up the whole site. So I always hit it hard and heavy, and then after that, you know, it's just a few orders here. And I did the same thing with Crafter's Companion. You know, I stocked up on everything, and now I don't really have to order from them if they have something new. You know, I'll get it here and there, but not like I normally do, like a crazy amount. So with Spellbinders, I am going a little bit crazy, but you know, I'm already calming down, I think, from my other orders. But anyway, so I got the Spring in the Desert set with stamps. This is really cute. So again, they call them past kits, but I don't know. Again, Fun Stamper's Journey was their own thing. They broke off from like another stamping company and made their own thing. Someone told me here that they got a little money trouble because something happened. Spellbinders joined up with them. So I don't know if these are considered past kits because they're past like kits from FSJ or how they do that. They have their stamp of the month. But this one's called Spring in the Desert. I just thought it was really cute. And then we have here Key to My Heart, which is adorable, and I should have dies for this. Yeah, I know this one had dies. I don't think I have dies for Spring in the Desert. So these are the dies for this one, and I'm looking forward to using this one, especially with the dies. I think it's a really cute set. And then, oh, okay, good. So I got this little Santa set because, again, they were on super sale. Santa's helpers, but I wasn't sure how small they are. So I do like that they're not so small that they're so fidgety to work with, right? So really cute. Of course, I will use this soon, sometime here. Look at the little hair on that one. That's so adorable. So they're showing you here how to put the Santa Claus together, but you can also make a different character from this. I think it's the little elf. And then she has little braids here if you want to use braids, or just make it like a little dude or however. So that's really cute. Okay. Talking about card kits. Unicorn Dreams. Now, I looked before I made this video, and I don't believe this is available right now. Or if it is, it wasn't in the sales section. So, this is from February 2020, and it is taped. I'll probably do videos separate. Yeah, I don't want to mess with this too much, but let's take a quick look at this little idea sheet. Look at that. So cute. Adorable. The unicorn's very different looking. She looks kind of modern, kind of like a lady. I don't know. So that's one of the kits. So for me, it's easy to go in there and get all these club kits because I just joined the club like 2 months ago, so I don't have any of these, you know. So whenever I see anything previous, I'm grabbing it. This is January 2020. Love the Moment. And I will do videos on these guys because I know a lot of you guys did pick these up during the sale, and so I appreciate that, and I will definitely do some videos for you guys. Oh, this is so sweet. I love that little convertible. That is so cute. Okay. What else do we got here? Sparkling Holidays, October 2019. Oh yeah, I did get all the holiday ones that they had. I pretty much got all the card kits if I didn't already have them, because that's a couple of them I already ordered. I'm not sure what's up with those owls, but I do like the deer and these other ornaments and things here. Oh, of course they're going to show you how to put those owls together. Or what? I don't know. This is so funny. Okay, well, we'll delve into that later. So again, I don't know if that's the dies or if that's just like a little chipboard. So this is one of the orders, and the other order is sitting here. And they arrived FedEx. And if you guys think about it, I ordered these last week, right? I thought it was last week. They don't put the date on here. I don't see a date on this. Oh well, but what I'm trying to say is they're back. Okay, this is July 16th. So it seems like they're back on track as far as shipping, because it came FedEx, and obviously it took like 2 or 3 days from when I ordered it. This is Card Kit of the Month for November 2019. So apparently that year they had a couple of Christmassy ones in a row. I love that. Super cute. So right now they do have some Christmas kits. They're adorable. They're lovely. They are not inexpensive. So I would talk about that more, but I'm just like, I mean, obviously everybody does what they do, right? With their money. Same question. People ask me, what do you do to buy all this stuff or whatever? But they're really pretty sets, and they're obviously great quality. I'm just like, oh, wow. But, you know, a little rich for my blood, that's all. All right. But again, everyone does their thing. If there's something you just gotta have, you just gotta have it. Let's see here. So I was gonna do another Crafter's Companion video today. It's ready, it's loaded, it's ready to go. But those videos, I've made so many today and they're already so long. And to be honest, they're getting less clicks than they used to. If I put up a diamond press video, that thing's gonna always take off. People, you guys love the diamond press, I do too, so I appreciate it. But the Crafter's Companion videos are kind of like, a little sluggish, you guys, a little sluggish. So I think I'll not put the third one up today. I said earlier that I would in the tonic video, but now I'll just do this, and then we'll do a couple of Crafter's Companion ones tomorrow, or maybe one tomorrow, one Saturday. You guys, if you're not used to my channel, you're probably thinking like, what is this woman talking about? I always talk like I'm just in real time, because I pretty much am. I'm filming this. It's like 3 o'clock right now. I'm going to edit it, and I'm going to upload it. So by the time you guys see it, it might be 5 or 6 o'clock. I'm talking about Western time. But that's just how I do it. So I talk like, if you see this in a year from now, it makes no sense. I understand that, but that's how it is. So I had, this one's called Kid's Dream, and I just thought this was adorable. I like the little girl hanging here, and I like that you can just pretty much do whatever you want with these. Obviously you can do whatever you want with everything, but the look of the kids and everything, I think it's really cute. So I believe this one has dies. If it doesn't, well, now I'm showing you guys all the goodies, huh? Here it is. The die set, Kid's Dream die set. Super cute. Again, the links, I don't know that I'll have individual links to every single one of these things, but I'll try and put some of them. Like this one right here, they've been clearancing out for a long time, and I'm always teetering like, should I get it? Should I don't know. It's been there for a long time. The August small die of the month, but I love these little birds. They're so cute. So I finally went ahead and picked it up. Again, it has all kinds of stuff in here. I mean, this is a lot of dies. So cute. So very adorable with the little frames. This is the Warm Wishes from December. It just says December. Oh, December 2018. And I grabbed this because I'm like, okay, I know we're shaker crazy. This will make great shakers. So I'm like, yeah, of course. Happy something. What? Happy for you. Oh, that's cute. That's a different sentiment. I don't normally see that every day. So I like that. We have from all, I'm assuming it says of us. And then birthday wishes, and then of course the different little things, and we can't ever have too many foliage, or maybe we can, I don't know. I have a lot of these guys. And then the little flowers, and of course a decorative circle or just a plain circle. It's super cute. And then this, I figured would go with that one too, like you can kind of mix and match them. So this is the Art Studio Botanicals, and this is very pretty. It has kind of some really interesting designs. You're supposed to stack these up. I don't know if they have, yeah, so like not just one layer, but 2 layers. So you have the geometric design, but then you also have the leaves. Is it leaves? That's really cute. I like that a lot. Oh, and this little guy, he's just adorable. I keep looking at it, passing it over, and finally I grabbed the March 2019 small die of the month, because the little bunnies, they have little carrots, and I thought that was too cute. Again, you can paper piece this, like put the pieces that come out back in it, so, you know, I know that's not everyone's joy, but it wasn't too bad when I did that little kind of this month's, the flower or stem die of the month for this month. I think it worked up really quick, and it was really nice. So this is Kaleidoscope Snowflakes, and this was interesting because they have a lot of kaleidoscope dies. I've only used it one other time in like one of the very first months that I signed up a couple months ago, and they were really pretty, so I was kind of curious of this. I do like this. I don't know, I have to see this in real life to see if I really like that, but I do like just the snowflakes themselves. This is a small die of the month for September of 2019. It's the Ikaboo. Oh, this is adorable. When you look at it, it doesn't look like anything. I mean, I'm like, what's this little guy? He isn't. So there's a little face, there's little different things, but I think it's like a Frank. Well, there's different stuff that you can put it together to look like different characters. Oh, that is adorable. I think this one also does a Frankenstein. I'm not sure. Maybe with these little. I'll have to look it up again. Oh, a Sunny Day stencil. I love the look of this stencil, so I just grabbed this one. I don't think it was on, it was just there on their site, and I just really liked it, so I grabbed that. That will be a lot of fun. This is Many Thanks Gatefold template. Now, I know I have tons of gatefold card dies, but I always like to give a company a chance to try out the different things, so I think this is a fun one. So I went ahead and grabbed it. And it's just that kind where you just kind of do the little flip. I don't even know why it's called gatefold, to be honest. is more of a flippy, not really gatefold. But anyway, there's that one. Oh my gosh. And 3 more boxes. I told you guys I was gonna get all the boxes. Okay, and this is it. All right, this is it. But like I said, I always go kind of wild with a company whenever I see their stuff. And it's true. I mean, when you go to the big box stores, they have, you know, 4 or 5, maybe 10 different dyes. And these people have hundreds, if not thousands of different dyes that you can pick up and stuff. Stamps and all that. Stay Wild, May 2019. And this one, they still have on their site, I believe. Is it this one? Yeah. I just, you know, I wasn't sure if it was something I really, you know, went for. They were really focusing on that bear. He's actually really darn cute. Actually, I like that look. He's another one that we can give. I was just say a balloon. He has a balloon there, and then maybe like the little hat, like I did to the elephant recently. Make him look kind of fun. And then this one is called Express Yourself from 2019, September 2019. And again, you guys aren't, you know, seeing everything that's in here. These kits always come loaded. I love their kits. I'm over the moon with them, so I'm really happy to get these. Look how cute. This one has like the fountain pen, like an old school one. And on the back, it just shows you how to do a little something. Really, really cute. I will make a video for every single one of these, if not a couple. These are probably the kind of kits that I wouldn't mind taking out of the box and putting them away. I know people always say about the Crafter's Companion box. I'm like, I can never get rid of those. But this one I probably won't mind putting them together in some kind of system. Oh, this one is the Night Out, April 2019. And very girly, super cute. I think I've seen this one quite often. It might still be on there. Because I feel like I remember this one. But cute stuff, maybe not. That is adorable. I am loving what I see here. Alright, so thanks for watching, guys. That was my haul. I have a couple of orders coming in from Scrapbook. I have orders coming in from Tonic. I have some orders coming in from Craft Stash. Actually, one of the orders is already here, but I'm just waiting for them both to be here because it's not that big, the order. And so I'm like, But it is a lot of Crafter's Companion Christmas stuff because they have them on their site too, and I can pick and choose, and they're not super expensive. I haven't had any problems with them, so I will continue to order from there if the price is right and I continue to have pretty good service. So alright guys, I'll have the links in the description box. Again, they're having their, you know, kind of an extra percentage off of their clearance, and I hope you're all doing well. Keep an eye out. There's a lot of videos coming up. I'm telling you, next week is going to be fun. Next week is going to be fun. But when we get there, you'll see why I keep saying that. All right, guys. I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.